The Samsung washer UB error code is a common issue that indicates an imbalance in the washing machine. This error code can be frustrating, but fortunately, it is relatively easy to fix. In this tutorial, we will walk you through the meaning, causes, and solutions to resolve the UB error code on your Samsung washer. First, let's understand what the UB error code means. It stands for unbalanced, which signifies that the washing machine has detected an uneven distribution of weight during the spin cycle. This can cause the machine to vibrate excessively, leading to poor washing performance and potential damage to the machine. The causes of the UB error code can be attributed to several factors, including overloading the washing machine, uneven distribution of clothes, or an issue with the machine's balance sensor. To fix the error code, start by checking the laundry load and ensuring it is balanced. Remove any excess clothes or heavy items that may be causing the imbalance. Next, check the washing machine's balance sensor, which is usually located at the bottom of the machine. Make sure it is clean and free from any debris. If the sensor is dirty, clean it gently with a soft brush or cloth. If the issue persists, try resetting the washing machine by unplugging it from the power source, waiting for 30 seconds, and plugging it back in. Another solution is to run a calibration cycle on the washing machine. This can be done by selecting the spin cycle and then pressing the start button. The machine will then automatically adjust its balance and calibration. If none of these solutions work, it may be necessary to consult a professional repair technician to diagnose and fix any underlying issues with the machine. In conclusion, the Samsung washer UB error code is a common issue that can be easily resolved by checking the laundry load, cleaning the balance sensor, resetting the machine, or running a calibration cycle. By following these steps, you can quickly and easily fix the error code and get your washing machine up and running again. Remember to always follow best practices, such as not overloading the machine and ensuring the laundry load is balanced, to prevent future occurrences of the UB error code.